Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips, and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 6, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Let's begin. Question 1. How many weather seasons are there in USA? Here are your options. Option 1, 2 seasons. Option 2, 3 seasons. Option 3, 5 seasons. Or, Option 4, 4 seasons. Answer is, Option 4, 4 seasons. Next question. Question 2. What is the capital of Zimbabwe? Here are your options. Option 1, Mataret. Option 2, Bulawayo. Option 3, Harare. Or, Option 4, Kariba. Answer is, Option 3, Harare. Question 3. How many days does a male mosquito live? And the options are: Option 1, 15 days. Option 2, 30 days. Option 3, 10 days, or less. Or, Option 4, 1 year. The correct answer is, Option 3, 10 days, or less. Next question. Question 4. Which is the fastest train in the world as of 2019? Here are your options. Option 1, Siemens Velaro. Option 2, AGV Italo. Option 3, Harmony CRH 380A. Or, Option 4, Shanghai Maglev. The answer is, Option 4, Shanghai Maglev. Next. Question 5. What is the first supercomputer developed in India? And the options are: Option 1, Param 8000. Option 2, Param Shivai. Option 3, Parameshan. Or, Option 4, Sahasrat. The correct answer is, Option 1, Param 8000. Question 6. How much is 1 quintal? Here are your options. Option 1, 1 kilogram. Option 2, 10 kilograms. Option 3, 100 kilograms. Or, Option 4, 1000 kilograms. The correct answer is, Option 3, 100 kilograms. Next question. Question 7. Which ocean do sharks live in? And the options are: Option 1, Atlantic Ocean. Option 2, Arctic Ocean. Option 3, Indian Ocean. Or, Option 4, all of the ocean. Answer is, Option 4, all of the ocean. Next. Question 8. Who invented Fortran? Here are your options. Option 1, IBM. Option 2, Sun Microsystem. Option 3, Hewlett-Packard. Or, Option 4, Microsoft. The correct answer is, Option 1, IBM. Next question. Question 9. In which year was the first television made? And the options are: Option 1, 1920. Option 2, 1927. Option 3, 1937. Or, Option 4, 1947. Answer is, Option 2, year 1927. Question 10. What is the name of the bomb dropped in Hiroshima in the year 1945? Here are your options. Option 1, Big Boy. Option 2, Tall Man. Option 3, Fat Man. Or, Option 4, Little Boy. The correct answer is, Option 4, Little Boy. Next question. Question 11. Name the chemical used to make toothpastes white. And the options are: Option 1, titanium dioxide. Option 2, sodium hydroxide. Option 3, potassium hydroxide. Or, Option 4, magnesium hydroxide. Answer is, Option 1, titanium dioxide. Next. Question 12. How long did it take to build the Taj Mahal completely? Here are your options. Option 1, 1 month. Option 2, 11 years. Option 3, 22 years. Or, Option 4, 100 years. The correct answer is, Option 3, 22 years. Question 13. How many chambers are there in the heart of birds? And the options are: Option 1, 1. Option 2, 4. Option 3, 2. Or, Option 4, 3. And the answer is, Option 2, 4 chambers. Question 14. What is the longest country in the world terms of land area? Here are your options. Option 1, China. Option 2, Canada. Option 3, Russia. Or, Option 4, the United States of America. The correct answer is Option 3, Russia. Question 15. Which country does this flag belong to? And the options are: Option 1, Philippines. Option 2, Nepal. Option 3, Chile. Or, Option 4, Uruguay. The correct answer is Option 4, Uruguay. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.